See, everybody ain't ballin', most is falling. Even more is crawling. When they look up, all they see is the position that y'all in. So don't be so up that it blind you. I'm so far ahead that you don't see people are behind you. Player. Player, player. Player, player. Player, player. Player, player. Player, player. Player, player. First you tell a jeweler, order more Ikea. Then you tellin' waitresses the rosé. Up in VIP you meet your first Drea. In the strip club, one's in the air. Nothing but attention that they wanna pay. Dancers tryna welcome to LA. Shaking like a Polaroid picture, hey. Let them know you ballin', you that nigga player. And you run the city, you the new mayor. Tonight is full of hoes and the flyest players. Can't forget the jackers and the player haters. And shady hoes can't wait to betray ya. It's hard to tell which one is here to slay ya. It could be that pretty red bull layer. Texting to them niggas who are tryna lay ya. The lights is coming on and you drunk as sailor. Shorty like where the after party player. You grab her by the hand and tell her I'ma take ya. Shorty rolling with it, she is not a faker. Now you in your wheel like a roller skater. Pulling out the lot, you tell your homies later. Stopping at the light corner of La Brea. Them niggas ride up on you like an escalator. Wearing all black, Oakland Raider. Screaming run your shit for they AK ya. Begging for your life, hoping they don't spray ya. Should've left that ballin' shit for the Lakers. Yeah.